is Lingeya's Vidyapeeth, a deemed to be university in Faridabad, Delhi NCR. Here they offer the NIAT upskilling program. I'm Priyadarshini and I'm going to show you the campus together. Let's go. Right here is the main campus gate. Walking in, the campus greenery is hard to miss. There's something about open spaces and greenery that truly changes how you feel after a long day. Our first stop is the admissions council area. Basically, this is where your journey formally starts. And whenever you have any kind of confusion with regards to your education, you come here. Let's go check out the classrooms. These are the smart classes, and they're called smart for a reason. Every classroom is equipped with digital screens and proper seating arrangement, which is the perfect environment for learning and teaching. Now coming to labs. The campus offers multiple labs with hands-on experience. Whether it's coding, electronics, or mechanical work, there's a dedicated lab space for it all. Let's check out the library. Here you'll find all the books organized according to the departments. There's sciences, engineering, management, all of it. And you'll find the circulation desk right at the entrance. And here upstairs, we have the digital library. And if you're the type of person who needs a bit of peace and quiet, you're gonna keep coming back here. Now comes the auditorium. The auditorium handles two kinds of events. There's your everyday, such as departmental talks, faculty sessions, and student presentations. And then comes the bigger events, such as convocation, industry expert guest lectures, and mega events. You know, those conversations that actually make you feel differently about your future, those happen right here. Apart from the auditorium, there's also a seminar hall. Here, you learn one of the most underrated skills, which is to engage and participate. Here you learn to defend your ideas, present your thinking, and learn how to hold a room. And then there's the 5.0 labs. This is where students get hands-on exposure to areas like robotics, AI, IoT sensors, 3D printers, and more, all through real projects. The kind of hands-on exposure that bridges the gap between what you study and what the industry actually expects. All right. Now let's talk about sports. Step outside and you'll find cricket, football and volleyball. Whatever helps you switch off after a long day, it's here. Being hungry to play mostly causes you to be hungry to eat as well. That's why there's a canteen here. The common canteen here is actually a long stretch with multiple shops and stalls. And there's seating both inside as well as outside. Students mostly come to talk and only some come to eat. That too, half a chai shared between two. Tell me, how many of you have done the same? Bhaiya, a coffee. Thank you. And now we're at the unisex gym area. There's cardio, weights, machines. So if you're into fitness, you wouldn't have to give that up because you know a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. And speaking of hostel life, Lingeya's Vidyapeeth has separate dedicated blocks for boys and girls. For students coming out of town, I'm telling you, this is where you'll make some of your best memories. So this was Lingeya's Vidyapeeth Faridabad, a campus with the right facilities, infrastructure and the scale to support you through your entire upskilling journey.